Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed with the new blue note. The note belongs to Italian note, and it's 10,000 lira. It's Italian banknote, which is issued in year 1984 to 2002, and this is the front side of this note, you can see, and in the bottom here you can see the banca Italia. So this one is a picture of Anastasio Volta, like the inventor of battery, physician in Italy. On the top is a mention, 10,000 lira, and in the center is this one is a picture of like coat of arms, and you can see the back side of the note, reverse side, 10,000 lira, you can see here, and the back side picture, this one, it's a museum of Alessandro Volta, and it's a dimensions, it's 133 and 70 millimeter, and it's a length like the 70 meter, you can see. So this one is a very beautiful note, you can see. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.